In this video, I will be discussing about activation energy of a reaction and how an enzyme is going to affect that activation energy. So if we are talking about substrate, suppose this is substrate and its energy level is over here. So to get converted to any product, okay, the energy level of the product is going to be less, so that there is going to be a difference in the energies, which we will call as delta G. This is going to be the difference in the energies of product and substrate. So to get converted from this energy level to this energy level, the substrate has to go through a transition state. So the substrate will go from here and then it will get converted to the product. So this is the transition state where substrate is getting converted to product. And this change of energy is called as EA, that is activation energy. So whenever enzyme comes into picture, the activation energy will be lowered. The energy of the substrate and product will remain the same, but the energy of the transition state will get lowered. So we are going to call this as EA dash. So EA dash is enzymatic. That means in presence of enzyme, and EA is non-enzymatic. That means there is no energy, there is no enzyme present at this level, and here is enzyme present at this level, so the activation energy will be lowered. So if any reaction has got very large negative free energy change, what is negative free energy change? Minus delta G. If any reaction has got minus delta G, we say that it is a spontaneous reaction. It does not mean that it is going to occur very fast. It only means that the delta G is negative. It has to take help from enzyme for the reaction to occur at normal temperature. Now we can say that if we are talking about an example of oxidation of glucose, it has got delta G, glucose oxidation. Glucose oxidation has delta G minus 686,000 calories per mole. That does not mean that glucose is unstable, but if we take help of the enzyme, then only oxidation of glucose will take place. Though the delta G of oxidation of glucose is negative, it is not going to take place at physiological rate. At physiological state, it is only going to happen when there are enzymes present.